This spicy, smoky peri peri sauce will blow your mind, and you can make it at home in minutes. 8 to 10 red chilies, fresh or soaked dry chilies, 4 cloves garlic, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon oregano, juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 small onion, roughly chopped. Add chilies, garlic, onion, paprika, oregano, salt, lemon juice and vinegar into a blender. Blend until smooth. Add a little water if needed for a silky texture. Heat olive oil in a pan, pour in the blended sauce, and cook on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Stir until it thickens slightly and turns glossy. Let it cool. Your homemade peri peri sauce is ready. Use it on chicken, fries, burgers, or even as a dip. Try this at home and tell me how spicy you like it. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick recipes.